today's a great day. We've launched our report on international surrogacy. It was a great honour to be part of this committee and work with some really excellent colleagues, listen to expert evidence in relation to the issue of international surrogacy. And I'm here with Brian Kenny from Irish Gay Dance, who presented to the committee and gave some great insight into his family. And Brian, what do you think of the report today?
Absolutely delighted with the report. I mean, we've been waiting for this report for, in my own case, since the birth of my children 3.5 years ago, but it's been years and years before that since this momentum started. So this report is really comprehensive, it's really well thought out, it's really well structured, and it's based on evidence. The committee did incredible work, including yourself, to listen to expert witnesses, to listen to facts, to listen to science, and to come up with what is a very practical report, what is something that can be acted upon and that will encourage people going through surrogacy now to do the right thing, because as we always heard at the committee, the biggest risk at the moment of surrogacy is that it's not being followed under legislation. So this actually now gives people the path that they can follow to have their children and to protect everybody.
And what practical difference will it make, say, in your own family?
It will make a huge difference. So we live in Balroggery, we have 3 children all going through surrogacy. I'm the non-recognised parents to some of my children, and like my little daughter, she's 1 year old. She had her vaccinations about a week ago. I couldn't bring her to the appointment. So if I'm now appointed as her legal parent, I can do things like that. Like, we can apply for her passport. We nearly lost our family holiday a couple of weeks ago. We would have got over it, but because of the complications of trying to get her passport. So stuff like that just comes up every day.
And it'll get more complicated when your twins start school in another couple of years.
Exactly, I don't have the right at the moment to pick them up from school. I need a letter from my husband to say I can do that. So yeah, small stuff happens to us all the time, and we just got frustrated with that, and therefore we started lobbying and we started Irish Gay Dance in order to get our stories across.
Well done, and I think this report offers a comprehensive legal framework that offers protection and equality for children born through surrogacy.